With video marketing gaining so much buzz and attention, the question now is a picture still worth 1,000 words? Well, not anymore. A picture is worth far more than 1,000 words. Now hold on, let me explain. In a world of information overload and short attention span, pictures and designs are what stops people as they race through their social feeds. Here's proof, according to statistics. 32% of marketers say visual images are the most important form of content for their business. An estimated 84% of communications will be visible by 2018. So it doesn't matter whether you are just posting content on social media or you're selling products or services on the internet. Designs are a great way to make profit from it. Fact is, designs sell. But the problem is, you're not the only one aware of this fact. In fact, just like you, everybody knows that pictures sell. That means the competition is huge. The regular image design alone won't give you a good engagement and a good result. Not anymore. It's now time for you to upgrade your design style and create attention-grabbing designs to attract customers to your products or services. This is how you stand out in the competition. Create mind-blowing designs that will make your audience engaged. But how do you go about creating such image designs if you don't have any knowledge or skill of how it works? This is where many business owners get stuck. Because designs are not easy to create. Plus, it takes time to master and perfect the skill if you're learning to do it yourself. You would have to go through using difficult and boring design softwares, and most of them are a serious pain in the ass for someone without a technical background. It could take weeks or even months to finally perfect your design skill. But there's an easier way. What if you could get access to top-quality, eye-catching image designs for your business without having to learn graphics design for weeks or be charged high prices by freelance designers? Now that's where we come in. We are a team of graphics and design specialists involved in helping brands create stunning designs and images for their business. Here's how we do it. We understand that designs could differ for brands in different industries, so we will carry out a study on your business and your target customers. Then, create designs around your product or service to grab the attention of your audience. We are vast and grounded in everything designs, which makes us able to cover all of your design needs and desires. Time is important in business, and we know. This is why we will not give room for delays in delivering your design projects. We're not giving you just any designs. We create the designs to boost your brand's reputation before your audience and grow your business. Now there's an opportunity for you to grow your business and increase your revenue with our high-converting designs. Take action now and contact us. Don't waste any more time.
Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you discover how to start managing a successful business by working with the right clients the right way. I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. I wish you good luck in everything. About all the information linked below in the description. Write in the comments about what new and profitable online resources would you like to learn and see in our next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to be aware of all the new useful resources in the world. And of course, like if you liked the video.